Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to share my 4th of July card with you all. This weekend I worked on my cards. I can't believe how quickly 4th of July has creeped up on me, and I had birthday cards I had to do, and I'm trying to get back into Deck the Year. And I just was like, what? 4th of July is next week? So anyway, so this weekend I was making my own paper, and I don't know if you've seen on my Instagram page, I was using this Dollar Tree napkins that I got just recently, and I think I heard that Dollar Tree is going to raise their prices yet again. Wow. Okay, so I will be picky and choosing, very picky of my money these days. So anyway, but I still have quite a bit of tissues to use, so I'm kind of glad about that. And then I even bought some dies from My Creative Time, but it did not come in as early as I thought it would, and it kind of it didn't come in today, so I did not get to use the star dies like I wanted to, but that's okay. I had a pack of these stars in my stash, so I was like, I need to use up what I have, and so I do like these, um, for this project. So I used the background, and if you saw my Instagram, I used saran wrap to stick the tissue onto cardstock, and you use a little iron, hot iron with no steam, and you just iron on your tissue on the cardstock, and that's how you get a really nice crisp application. Instead of using Mod Podge, you know how sometimes you get these streaks, and then sometimes with Mod Podge, I mean, you could get the glossy, but I just love how this look. It turned out really, really well. Um, so I used some blue cardstock, and I used this die from Stamps of Life. So I just used a really simple layout. This is a Stampin' Up set, or a Stampin' Up stamp from, I think it's 2000. It is this one here. It's a retired set. I think it's 2002. So it's All Year Cheer, number 2. I used some of those stars, and I just called it a day. I really love how this look. There is a stamp that I wanted that has all kinds of like Home of the Brave, and this and that, and but I figured this napkin was just as good. I didn't have to use ink because it had blue and red ink on the tissue. So, you know, maybe, sometimes you just have to look at your stash and use it. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great 4th of July, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.